doesn't love a good chocolate chip cookie? With a perfect balance of sweet chocolate chips and a buttery golden brown cookie, it's a classic dessert that never fails to delight. Today, we'll explore a simple and delicious recipe that can be enjoyed by anyone, from curious young bakers to seasoned home cooks. The ingredients list for this recipe is straightforward. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of unsalted butter softened to room temperature, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 full cup of packed light brown sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and 2 cups of semi-sweet and/or milk chocolate chips. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Then line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will make sure your cookies don't stick to the pan. Next, combine your dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour and baking soda, then set it aside. Now, it's time to mix your wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the softened butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, salt, and vanilla extract. Using an electric mixer, beat these ingredients together until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Afterwards, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. This will ensure that the eggs are fully incorporated into the mixture. Gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture and mix until just combined. Remember, don't overmix. You want to keep your cookie dough light and fluffy. Now comes the fun part. Adding the chocolate chips, stir them into the dough until they are evenly distributed. Once the dough is ready, drop rounded tablespoons onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving a bit of space between each cookie. Place the cookies in the preheated oven and bake for 9 to 11 minutes. The edges should be golden, but the centers should still be soft. Keep a close eye on them, as the exact baking time may vary depending on your oven. When the cookies are done, remove them from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. There you have it. A simple, delicious recipe for homemade chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are a timeless favorite, perfect for dessert or a sweet treat at any time of day. Whether you're baking for a special occasion or just because, they're sure to be a hit. Enjoy!